What's with the...
Oh, I just got these custom shades. It's all online, so it's really easy. Great price, too.
I remember shopping for blinds.
A salesperson wasted my whole day. I had to say yes just to get rid of her. Ugh, and the price.
Do you want to get a fast, low price?
That sounds way better.
And they do this?
Magic.
Go to our website, professionalshades.com, and check out our services, curtains, shades, and best-selling products. Enjoy a free consultation and a fast installation process within 7 to 10 days. Our USA-based products are backed by over 28 years of experience and trusted by 800+ happy clients with 5-star reviews on Google and our website. Sign up for our newsletter or subscribe for the latest updates. Have questions? Simply visit the Request Service option on our site and fill out the form. We'll be happy to assist. Professional Shades, making your home smarter and more stylish.